In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post in Squarespace. Beginner tutorial. We'll walk through opening your site, jumping into your blog, editing the post content, and dialing in layout and style so your article looks polished before you publish. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and open your website editor. In the left sidebar, click Pages to see your site structure. Find your blog page and open it. To learn the editor, it's totally fine to open an existing post. If you see a dated example or something like a sample called My Article, click that. The interface you're about to use is the same one you'll see when creating a new post. Inside the post, click into the title field and type your headline. Move to the main content area and begin writing your story or pasting your draft. If a small confirmation appears, click OK to lock in your changes. Take a moment to add a short intro that clearly sets expectations for the reader. Clear titles and opening lines help with both readability and SEO. Now let's make it look great. Hover near the section and choose Edit section. Under Content Width, try Narrow, then Medium, then Wide, to see how line length affects readability. If you prefer precise control, choose Custom and adjust the values until it feels right. Toggle spacing and alignment controls to preview different layouts. Switch them on and off to compare, then settle on what best matches your brand voice. Open colors within the section to preview how your post looks across your site's background styles. Use the typographic AA controls and format options to test heading and paragraph styles defined by your theme. If you want to refine your brand colors globally, jump into Site Styles, Open Colors, and choose Edit Palette. Select a swatch, adjust it to your brand hue, and apply. Then visit Themes to preview type pairings. The AA tiles are preset combinations of fonts and sizes, so click through to find a clean, readable option. When you're satisfied, close the panel to return to your post. Back in the editor, continue refining your text. Keep paragraphs short, add line breaks for breathing room, and ensure the first few sentences summarize the post. If you're practicing on a sample post, remember you can save changes without making them public. When you're finished, close any style panels and save your work from the post editor. If your template shows visibility controls, choose the appropriate state and confirm. Finally, review the post on desktop and mobile to ensure your content width, colors, and typography feel consistent. And that's it. You opened Pages, went to Blog, edited your article, fine-tuned section width, customized colors and typography, and saved your post. You're ready to publish with confidence.